Sawa janeno mar kalatvlive kamoro amora ma intiere kan kanyo kode geno ni odiochieng' mari mar Jumapil osebedo ka dhi kodi nindo makare omolo kanyo sabiro mar odiochieng' asemolo kaendi mar mondo mi weche manyien yo mar adimba kidini endi mar Dier odiochieng' kawuono ni endi chieng' Jumapil tarik en kanyo 14 dwe mar auchiel higa mar 2026 nyinga Interesio Umar wakini machiegni Ker mapacho kendi migosi William Samuel Ruto koro ni to kwero jogo eko kata oganda maseyo sirikal mare mayango kanyo koni tende oktima ber ne oganda jo Kenya mayango kanyo
sijui kama tunaelewana si ndio na ni watu ambao hawana track record yoyote. Mtu kama umezunguka umekuwa waziri ya kila kitu umekuwa katika serikali miaka 50 huna chochote, hakuna mahali utaonyeshwa anywhere ati umefanya anything. Kiburi mingi, matusi mingi, madharau mingi, maneno ya fitina mingi, ati ile kazi kubwa wamefikiria akili yao, ati akili yao inafika hapo, ati akili yao, unasikia jameni? Ati ile akili yao inafika tu kwa kunitafutia jina ya Kasongo. Hapo tu imeishia hapo. Hapo ndio akili yao inaishia. Yani wale watu wako chini sana bana. Western hoye. Munasema tuendelee ama tuendelee bana? Tujenge Western.
Tupendane, tusiwe tunagawanyana, huyu mtu ametoka huku na yule ametoka upande ile. Haiwezi kuwa uongozi wa nchi ikitoka pali moja au ikienda pali pengine watu wanaanza kulia ati hiyo uongozi ni mbaya. Every Kenyan and every Kenyan community has a right to lead this country. So Luyas have a right to lead Kenya. Na bwana Savula, 2042 is too far. 2042 is too far. Sawa sawa. Najua kuna Mluya ambaye ako tayari kuwa president 2027. Kuna. Anaweza kuambia hakuna. 2027 hakuna. The earliest anybody can be president of this country is 2032, and let's prepare ourselves for somebody from Nyanza or Western Province to be president. So what we do in 2027, tufanye na wale ambao watahakikisha tumepata presidency in 2032. Na nyinyi mnajua vile ninasema. Asante.
Mabeni no nyiso kanyo ganda mawuok imbo mar piny Kenya mondo ginene matut
washindwe. Wewe kama haujui pahali unaenda, hautajua umepotea. Sasa jamaa wanatembea hapa, wengine wamekuwa impeached, they don't know they don't know what their future is. They are coming to try and tell you that they know where they are taking you. We should remain focused. Tusidanganyike, tusidanganywe. Tuungane na Mheshimiwa Rais, because this is where Kenya is going.
Jagori miga mara rita maiye mano kanyo Daktari Bondo Molo yango kanyo koni kwanoga najo Kenya maromo kanyo million
cases to hospitals. In healthcare, prudence means seeking early diagnosis, embracing preventive care, attending regular checkups, as well as medical advice. As it is, we are already witnessing encouraging progress through the Social Health Authority, and to date, more than 31 million Kenyans have registered under SHA. 11,034 health facilities have been contracted across the country, with more than 147 billion having been paid out in claims to support healthcare access across from October 2024 to date. These achievements demonstrate our commitment to making healthcare more accessible and affordable. And they also demonstrate an important principle. Healthcare works best when citizens actively participate. And therefore, registering for SHA, seeking preventive care, attending routine screenings and checkups like Marion has just shared with us, adhering to treatment and making informed health decisions are responsibilities that directly influence individual and national health outcomes.
Mopogore kod mano en kanyo eko ni siem golo gana jo Kenya mar mondo mi kik bedo mamor kod budget ma ne osom kanyo kod jatelo kamigawo mar omenda mano kanyo migosi John Mbadi. Weche makamano.
You are going to borrow, for example. We already have exceeded the 55% of GDP that we had already passed in Parliament. We are already doing more than 70%. So if this is going to be sustained, then it means that the economy is going to be in a lot of trouble in coming days, and it cannot be sustainable.
Jaod bura ma Kisumu Central mano kanyo Laktar Joshua Ron osingo kanyo eko mar pedho kwayo nyim komiti mar od bura mar neno kanyo eko ni okel machiegni kar tiegruok mar KMTC e kar chung'o bura endo ma West Nyakach kaka yono endo
adia ket ne budget kutoka keti mano biro ka wachinuria ne governor maro Ron pamba nyaka duog Nyakach wacho kutoka wacho Nyakach kanyugu ne chieke nyugu kawuono onge koso nitie ni factory maloso nyugu wakel koso ka wakel abiro ka mondo wach ni kidhi kanea nitie hoho moro kacha maduong' iluongo nang'o katuko de iluongo nang'o wadin mondo jowa obed gi tich mayom ma wuoth kero ji muolo koso pe anyuola e pi adonge pi asome pi akende pi ang'e pi kosa kia